In this video, I'll guide you through how to recover deleted files in Google Drive step by step so you can quickly get back anything you removed by mistake. Let's start with the basics. When you delete a file from Google Drive, it usually isn't gone forever right away. Instead, it's moved to a special area called trash, where it stays for a limited time before being permanently removed. As long as the file is still in trash, you have a good chance of restoring it. That's exactly what we're going to walk through now. First, open Google Drive in your web browser. You can do this by going to the Google Drive website and signing in with your Google account if you're not already logged in. Make sure you're using the correct account, especially if you have more than one, because deleted files only appear in the trash folder of the account they belong to. Once Google Drive is open, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see a menu with several options like My Drive, Shared with Me, and Others. In that list, click on the option labeled Trash. On some screens, this might appear as bin, but it works the same way. When you click it, Google Drive will show you all the files and folders that have been deleted but are still recoverable. Now, take a moment to find the file you want to recover. The items in trash might be listed by name, owner, date deleted, and so on. If you have a lot of files in there, you can use the search bar at the top of the page and type part of the file name to narrow things down. You can also sort by the date something was deleted to make it easier to locate recent removals. Once you've located the file you want, move your mouse over it and right-click on the file. This will open a small menu of actions you can perform. If you're on a trackpad, you can usually access this menu with a two-finger click or by holding a modifier key while clicking, depending on your device settings. In the menu that appears, look for the option that says Restore and click on it. After you do this, Google Drive will immediately start putting the file back where it came from. You won't have to confirm anything else in most cases. When the restore is complete, the file will be removed from trash and returned to its original location in My Drive. That means if it was originally inside a specific folder, it will go right back into that same folder. If you're not sure where that is, you can click on My Drive at the top left, then use the search bar to look for the file by name. It should now appear just like any other active file. As a quick tip, remember that trash is meant to be temporary. If too much time passes, Google may permanently delete older items from trash, and those can't be restored using this method. So if you realize something important is missing, it's a good idea to check your trash as soon as possible. And that's all you need to do to recover deleted files in Google Drive using the trash folder.